Good day, everyone. I am Hasmin C. Sabanao, a BSED Math 3B, and I am going to discuss one of the productivity software applications or tools for teaching and learning, which is the Publisher. Publisher apps, also called desktop publishing or DTP software, are designed to create and manage various types of documents for print or digital distribution. These are tools used to create professional-looking documents for both print and online sharing. They help users design materials like brochures, posters, flyers, magazines, newsletters, and business cards without needing to be expert graphic organizers. Publisher apps make it easier to organize text, images, and designs beautifully, saving time and effort. Here are some common features and functionalities found in Publisher apps. First is templates. Publisher apps often come with a range of pre-designed templates for various types of documents, such as brochures, newsletters, flyers, business cards, posters, and more. These templates provide a starting point for users to create professional-looking documents quickly. Publisher apps provide a variety of ready-made templates for different types of documents. Templates help you by giving you a pre-designed structure where you can just replace text, pictures, and colors according to your needs. This saves a lot of time and ensures your document looks polished and professional even if you're a beginner. For example, if you want to make a birthday invitation, you can pick a party template, change the names and details, and it's ready to print. Second, we have text editing. Users can easily add, edit, format, style text within their documents. This includes options for changing fonts, sizes, colors, alignments, spacing, and applying text effects like bold, italic, underline, and more. Text editing in Publisher apps is powerful. You can change fonts, adjust sizes, choose colors, align text either left, center, or right, adjust spacing between letters and lines, and apply effects like bold, italic, and underline. Some apps even let you add text effects like shadows or glow to make your heading stand out. For example, in a school newsletter, you can make the headline School Fair 2025 large, colorful, and centered with a fun font. Next, we have the graphics and images. Publisher apps allow users to insert and manipulate images. Next, we have the graphics and images. Publisher apps allow users to insert and manipulate images, illustrations, icons, and other graphical elements within their documents. Users can resize, crop, rotate, and apply filters or effects to images as needed. Publisher apps allow you to insert pictures, icons, logos, illustrations, and other images easily. Once inserted, you can resize, crop, rotate, and add filters or effects like shadows, reflections, or color adjustments to match your document's design. You can move images around freely to get the best layout. For example, adding pictures from a school event into a yearbook and arranging them neatly on the page. Next, we have a page layout. Users can customize the layout and design of their documents by adjusting page size, margins, orientation, portrait or landscape, columns, and grids. Publisher apps also offer tools for managing headers, footers, page numbers, and master pages. Page layout tools give you control over the size, margins, and orientation of your pages, portrait, or landscape. You can also divide your pages into columns like in newspapers or use grids to align content properly. Page layout also includes setting up headers, footers, page numbers, and master pages, templates for consistent pages. For example, creating a trifold brochure where each panel has equal size and perfect alignment. Next, we have a drawing tools. Many publisher apps come with drawing tools and shapes that allow users to create diagrams, flowcharts, maps, and other visual elements directly within their documents. Users can also apply shapes, as placeholders for text or images. Publisher apps often include basic drawing tools that allow you to create shapes like circles, rectangles, arrows, and combine them to make diagrams, charts, or custom designs. These shapes can be filled with color, outline, or used as backgrounds for text or images. For example, when you are going to design a flowchart for a company's organizational structure using boxes and arrows. Next, we have a color management. Publisher apps offer color management features such as color palettes, Next, we have a color management. Publisher apps offer color management features such as color palettes, swatches, gradients, and transparency settings. Users can choose colors from predefined palettes to create custom colors to match their branding or design requirements. Color management lets you control how colors are used in your document. You can pick from ready-made color palettes, create your own custom colors, and apply gradients, smooth color transitions. You can also control transparency, make colors see-through, and apply swatches or save colors. This ensures that your document matches branding rules or personal style. For example, using a company's brand colors, red and black, throughout the promotional poster to maintain a consistent look. Next, we have import and export. Users can import content from other applications or file formats such as text files, images, spreadsheets, and presentations. Publisher apps also support exporting documents to various formats including PDF, JPEG, PNG, and more for sharing or printing purposes. Publisher apps allow you to import content like text files from Word, tables from Excel, or images from your computer. After creating your document, you can export it into different file types like PDF, JPEG, or PNG for sharing or printing. Some apps allow high-resolution export for professional printing. For example, importing a product price list from Excel and exporting the finished product catalog as a PDF file to send to customers. Then we have typography. Publisher apps provide advanced typography features such as kerning, tracking, leading, ligatures, and hyphenation to enhance the readability and aesthetics of text within documents. Typography features help you control how text appears not just with font choice but also with fine details like kerning. It is a spacing between letters or characters. Leading, it is a vertical spacing between lines of text measured from the baseline of one line to the baseline of the next. Tracking, it is a spacing between all letters within a word, line, or block of text, or in short, it is a space for groups of letters. And hyphenation, it is a splitting words at line ends. In other words, it is what you do when you use a dash-like punctuation mark to join two words into one or separate the syllables of a word. These small adjustments make text easier to read and more attractive. For example, adjusting the spacing between letters in a wedding invitation to make it look elegant and balanced. And next, collaboration. Some publisher apps support collaboration features that allow multiple users to work on the same document simultaneously. Users can track changes, leave comments, and share documents securely with others. Modern publisher apps sometimes allow multiple users to edit the same document at the same time through cloud-based tools. Users can add comments, track changes, and leave notes for others to review. This makes teamwork faster and more organized. For example, two marketing team members working together online to update a company's brochure and seeing each other's changes in real time. And last, we have printing and publishing. Publisher apps include tools for previewing and optimizing documents for printing. Users can set print settings, choose paper sizes, adjust print quality, and manage print layouts. Additionally, some apps offer direct publishing options to online platforms or cloud services. Publisher apps help you prepare documents for printing by letting you adjust print settings like paper size, print quality, and margins. They also offer print previews to check what the document will look like on paper. Some apps even allow direct publishing online to websites, social media, or cloud storage. For example, after designing a school magazine, you can check it with print preview and then print it out or upload it as an e-magazine. These features make publisher apps valuable tools for creating professional documents, marketing materials, publications, and presentations with rich content and visual appeal. Popular publisher apps include Adobe InDesign, Microsoft Publisher, Scribus, Affinity Publisher, and Quark Express, among others. Adobe InDesign is a professional desktop publishing software developed by Adobe Incorporated. It is widely used for creating brochures, magazines, newspapers, posters, flyers, books, and interactive PDFs. It offers advanced layout, typography, and graphic design tools. Microsoft Publisher is a beginner-friendly desktop publishing application developed by Microsoft mainly for small businesses and home users. It is used for designing newsletters, greetings, cards, labels, banners, and simple publications. It focuses more on layout than text composition. Scribus is a free and open-source desktop publishing software. It's used for creating page layouts such as magazines, newspapers, and posters, offering professional features like CMYK colors, PDF creation, and vector drawing tools. Affinity Publisher, it is a professional desktop publishing software developed by Serif. It's used for creating books, magazines, marketing materials, and digital publications with precise layout, controls, and graphic integration. It's a cost-effective alternative to Adobe InDesign. And last, the Quark Express. It is a long-established desktop publishing software developed by Quark Incorporated. It's used by professionals for designing and publishing printed and digital content like newspapers, magazines, and catalogs, offering powerful layout and typography features. And that would be all. I hope you learned something from my discussion. Thank you so much for listening.